Hi, my name is Unmesh Kulkarni. I'm currently working as a senior software engineer at Symantec Corporation at Mountain View, California. Prior to coming to the US, I did my engineering at DY Patil Akurdi, worked for a few years at Tech Mahindra Pune, and then I came here for a Master of Science program. After completing the Master of Science program, I joined Symantec and I have been here since then. At Symantec, I'm working on a product which helps identify malware in a corporate environment. I would really like to congratulate Impetus for completing 20 years in this field of education, and I have been associated with them during the year, I think 2003-2004, when I learned C programming and data structures from Rishikesh sir. And before I came here for MS, I also got the opportunity to teach C programming at the institute. So thank you for making an impact in my life and helping me become a better engineer. My message to the students would be to get the fundamentals right, work hard, because when you want to get something right, when you want to understand something, you need to put in the needed effort. So that would be my message. And there are a lot of interesting things in the computer science world, networking, databases, security. So try and identify what interests you and try to understand all aspects around your area of interest, which will help you pursue a career or higher studies in that area. And all the best. Thank you.